So we're here with Jonas Klevhag that just arrived from Lusaka, Zambia. What were you doing there? Tell us a little bit.
Yes, I came back yesterday from Lusaka, Zambia. We did 2 workshops in Zambia, one on waste and one on water. And previously we've been doing 2 workshops also in Bangalore, India, one on waste again and one on transportation. In each workshop we had some 15 participants, different organizations, so we managed to actually develop quite a lot of momentum on a lot of initiatives that could be turned into pilots. And that is super exciting and really encouraging on the bridge method so far.
What can you tell us about the participants? Who are they?
The participants in the workshop have been everything from NGOs, startups, innovative startups, small companies, SMEs, and regional and local city governments, basically. So quite a wide range of different perspectives on these challenges that have been part of the workshops.
And what is the next step?
Yeah, so now we are really looking forward to taking these initiatives. We've from the 4 workshops in Bangalore and Lusaka, I think we have 14 different collaboration initiatives that we now look forward to see if we can turn into pilot projects. And that is what's going to happen. We are getting back to the participants with proposals for pilot projects. So continuously looking for funding and more traction on these initiatives.
So how can we engage in all this?
Well, if you want to be part of the Bridge Forum and the Bridge Network, there are lots of opportunities for you to engage. You can either be, as an individual, you can become a member of the Bridge Network, or as a company or organization, you could be a partner to the Bridge Forum. So if you have an interest to actually engage with us, please don't hesitate to drop us a line using the contact info. I'm sure there will be at the end of the video somewhere around here.